Hello everyone, friends. Welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install Fortnite on iPhone, iPad, iOS version, basically in any country. To do this, open the App Store, tap on your account. Next, tap on Country and Region. And here we need to find United States. Now tap, Continue, tap Accept, and then tap Without. Write the street address we need here. Okay? Like this, for example. Just like that. Let's also select Illinois as the state. Enter the postal code here. And a phone number. You can actually write it like this. Now click Apply. Oops. Alright, okay. Click Apply. Now we click Next. Done. Next, go here and type Fortnite and you can download it. This was Velour with you. Goodbye everyone.